Hello, my crafty friends! Ready to see everyday items turned into stunning home decor? I am part of the Reading Crafting Challenge where we push our creativity to the limits. Stick around to see how I add my unique spine to these DIYs. And don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring ideas. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super special. I am participating in the Here You Try It 2.0 challenge where crafters exchange boxes and recreate each other's projects. A huge thanks to Christian from DIY Craftaholic and Tami from Happiness Created for this amazing idea. I received my box from Connie at Art with Connie's channel and I can't wait to show you what I have recreated with her items. I sent my box to Tosha from Sunflower Tosha DIYs channel. I sent her items to recreate the DIYs that I made on my YouTube channel. You will find links to all the host channels, Christian and Tami, and the playlist in my description box below. Also, of course, the two crafters that I mentioned, Tosha and Connie. And now let's get into these Farmhouse Star DIYs. Thank you, Connie, for the box. Let's see what I received from Connie. So I received these 3 items to recreate 3 projects that she made on her YouTube channel. Look what I got from Connie. I have this wire wreath frame, this long rectangle piece, and this small rectangle wooden piece. Let's see for the first project. Connie made a beautiful and amazing wreath, as you see on the screen. I want to put my own twist on it and in farmhouse style. I begin with this wire wreath frame. I'm going to transform it into a crescent shape using wire cutters, and so I'm using these scissors, these strong scissors. I carefully cut a section off, turning it into a C shape. It's all about getting that perfect crescent, so take your time with this step. Once we have our crescent, I use duct tape to secure the ends. This ensures our wreath holds its shapes and provides a sturdy base for the decorations. Next step, wrapping with wired branches. I wrap the frame with these wired tree branches I found at Michael's. The flexibility of these branches makes them easy to work with, and they add a nature rustic feel to the wreath. I take my time to arrange each branch, alternating between placing some in front and folding others behind, covering the frame from top to bottom. This step is important for creating a full and ledge base for our decorations. So one piece in front, other one in the back, and until I cover the whole frame. Now the whole crescent is warped with the branches. Now for my favorite part, decoration. I have a variety of flowers and greenery, some of which I picked up from Dollar Tree. I lay them out first to get an idea of the design, then use hot glue to secure them in place. This step is where you can really let your creativity shine. I have different kind of flowers with colors that match together. These butterflies that you see on the screen on top of these flowers. Wrapping this crescent with this pearl lace to add some shiny design. Then I got this plastic mason jar ornament, and I add this border sticker that I got from Dollar Tree around the lid, like that. Then inside this lid, I add some gems that I got from Dollar Tree. I'll glue them there, adding mixture of flowers, tiny flowers, and some greenery, and put everything inside this mason jar, just to add decoration and some details to this crescent wreath. Next Next step, I wrap fairy lights around the wreath for a soft and enchanting glow. I secure them with wire, ensuring they stay in place. A strand of pearl lace is added for a vintage farmhouse decor feel to hold this plastic mason jar. Now we complete in our DIY crescent moon wreath. Voila, 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 voila. Add more pearl lace. Let's see the final look now. And there you have it, our DIY crescent moon wreath. And it's a perfect blend of rustic charm and elegance. Love the colors. I love the shape. What do you think, guys? Let me know in your comment below. And now let's jump to the second DIY. Moving on to our second project, we are creating a stunning painted flower decor. I am using this long rectangle piece that I got from Connie to recreate this piece and use stencils instead of hand painting. As you see in the screen, Connie painted so beautifully. I love this flower painting. But for my recreation, I'm going to use these flower stencils that I got from Michaels to paint my flowers. Next, I use my Cricut machine to cut out the word welcome from vinyl. I accidentally forgot the letter E, but that's an easy fix. I carefully place the vinyl on the wooden piece, making sure it's centered and straight. Then I use parchment paper and Cricut iron to adhere there. This technique is it's a new experiment for me because I'm using here iron on vinyl. We should use it only for fabric and t-shirt, but it's always fun to try new method or new experience. If I mess up this piece, Connie, don't be mad, but I believe it's gonna work. I want to try this vinyl because it has holes, and I want to show out the brown color from this wood through this welcome sign, and voila. It's fixed with the letter E too. We have welcome sign here. Now the exciting part, painting the flowers. I'm using flower stencil from Michaels. For a beautiful design, I have chosen a variety of chalk paint colors. Then I mixed white and black chalk paint with a little bit of water to create a gray color. I start with yellow for the first flower, adding a touch of white for a distressed look. Then I move on to other flowers using patina wax, moose green chalk paint, and a light pink mixed with white. It's the late fall process, watching each flower bloom on the wood. For the border, I'm using a mold and clay to create a beaded effect. I choose this beaded shape from this mold. Once the clay dries, I paint the beads in a gray shade, made from white and black chalk paint with a little bit of water. After they dry, lightly brush over them with black and chalk paint. This border adds a charming and rustic touch to our wall decor. To finish, I apply Mod Podge around the edges and carefully place the clay border. And then I applied some Mod Podge on the surface of this piece to protect the welcome sign and these painting flowers. And the last touch is adding this small buffalo check ribbon with a heart bead in the center. That adds a lovely accent. I'm not done yet. Lastly, I attach a piece of twine at the back for easy hanging. Et voila, you have it. Welcome sign is not just welcoming, but a piece of art. I am curious to know your thoughts, so drop a comment below. If you like it, don't forget to click the like button And now, let's jump to the third DIY. And now let's dive into our final project, the wood-burning floral coaster. We start with this beautifully pre-stained wooden piece from Connie. It's sanded and stained. Thank you, Connie. As you see on the screen, it's her piece. It's a very beautiful piece. I want to recreate it. I use a wood burning tool with various tips to trace and fill in my design. I start with the outlines, creating design on my paper. We need this plier to hold the hot tips. This design can include your favorite flowers, leaves, or any nature-inspired element. The sketch serves as a guide for our wood burning, so take your time to create a pattern that you love. I like to use this popsicle stick to check if the wood burning tool is hot enough to use it. Then I start with outlines, creating some smooth, consistent, and wiggly lines. Just copy my design. Then I switch to different tips to add texture and depth to the flowers and leaves. Just I press smoothly on top of this wood. We need patience for this piece, but the results are absolutely worth it. It's amazing watching the wood transform with each burn. As you see, I tried first on top of this popsicle stick before to try it on final piece. I add the word hello to my design. I use the Sharpie type wood burning tip for precision. The letter O is, I designed it as a flower. For safety, I kept the hot tips inside the crates to avoid any accident and ensure that the area is well ventilated. So I open the windows for safety to enjoy crafting time. For an extra decorative touch, I use these transfer borders from Dollar Tree. These transfers are easy to apply and add in, some details to the edges of the wood piece. Beautiful details. They complement the wood burning beautifully, enhancing this coaster piece. Just apply it there and rub. Then I remove this plastic on top. And it's there now. To finish, I attach small wooden angels from Dollar Tree as legs. I stain them first with this brown Beverly wax. I need four pieces, and I hot glue them and use wood glue too in the back of this wood piece. Voila. I like it. The final touch, some of this semi-transparent wax to protect this wood and this flower, or this burning flower, and this transfers. Et voila, my final look for this coaster. What do you think, guys? I love these transfers too. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. I love reading your feedback and ideas. It's your support and interaction that keep this channel growing and inspire me to create more content for you. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will not miss any of my future videos. I have plenty of DIY projects and creative ideas to share with you. Thank you so much for watching. Keep crafting, stay safe, and see you soon. A bientôt. Bye.